and salutations. My name's Sarah Jane Cruikshank and I have not been on the video for ages, so I thought I'd jump on. As you all know, I'm a Forex trader. That's going amazingly well. I've got an incredible group of people that I work with, and you know, that kind of side of things is ticking along lovely. But I've decided to start taking care of myself a little bit more. As a mum, you know, I've been looking after the kids for such a long time, and you kind of put yourself on the bit of the back burner. You don't sort of do your makeup, you don't do your hair, you don't bother about it yourself anymore. Well, I didn't anyway. I kind of you know, get up and just not bother. So I needed to do something that would encourage me to kind of make more of an effort again. And I came across some amazing products that are just world class but affordable that I really fell in love with. Now, I've never really been into kind of makeup and beauty stuff because I've never really taken the time for myself like that. But since this, I've decided it's my turn now. It's my turn to look after myself. So I've embarked on a company that I can use the products, share the products, and also kind of make some money with the products. And I want to share it with you because there's a lot of people out there that want to earn money from home, but the trading thing that I do maybe isn't for them. And I've got a lot of female friends and male friends that just want a very low priced start-up business that they can just make money from the off straight away without having to worry about learning a skill or anything like that. So I found an amazing company. I've researched and researched. They are based in Knightsbridge in London. They've got a spa there which is absolutely first class. If you see this place, it's off the scale. Their products are ethically sourced. Their environmental side of this company is incredible. Everything's recyclable, refillable. Everything is just tested and scientifically proven. So what you're getting is scientifically proven kind of high-end spa products at an affordable price for everybody, and that's why I loved it, because it's something that everybody can afford and everybody can enjoy together. Also, at the moment, if you wanted to have a look at the business, they are doing an amazing £45 startup, right? £45, you get a website, you get the ability to sell, make commissions, join a compensation plan, and with that £45, not only do you get all of that, but you get £145 worth of products for you to try and enjoy yourself. So this is a really low priced startup business for anybody that wants to earn some money from home for Christmas, but that deal does run out on the end of November. So if you're interested in taking a look, follow along with me and just message me. All right, thank you very much for listening to me.